Hi everyone, today we will go to a new section, Chapter 10.4, Graphical Solutions of Trigonometric Equations. So please turn to a new page of your notebook. Write down the date of today and the learning target. Solve trigonometric equations graphically. Okay, so we directly move to an example. So this is example 10.9 in your textbook, page 10.36. Okay, in the question, it gives you that the graph of y equals to sine x. So I highlighted y equal to sine x, as well as the graph y equals to sine x. And then it asks you to solve the following equations for the range x between 0 degree to 360 degree graphically. Okay, so it gives you the range and graphically. Okay, so part A, sine x equals to 0.5. Okay, so as you can see, sine x equals to 0.5. So I use a red color to highlight 0.5. We know that y equals to 0.5. Then on the graph, I will draw a straight line, y equals to 0.5. And then we have to read the graph in order to find the solution. So the intersection is representing 30 degree and 150 degree. So this is the solution. So for part A, we directly, after drawing the line, see the intersection, then we can draw the conclusion from the graph. X is equals to 30 degree or 150 degree. Done. So similarly for part B, this time I will use a blue color. So this time sine x equals to -1. So I underline -1. And we know that this time we have to draw the line y equals to -1. Okay, so again, on the graph, I will draw a line y equals to -1. And then I have to read. Okay, according to the intersection, we know that the value of x is 270 degree. Okay, then we can draw the conclusion from the graph. X is equals to 270 degree. Okay, so similarly for part C, this time I will use the green color. So we know that y is equals to -1.5. Okay, so in -1.5, we will draw a horizontal line to represent y equals to -1.5. So as you can see, if this green line intersect with the y equal to sine x, okay, the answer is no. So therefore, from the graph, we know that, is there any solutions? No. So there are no solutions or no real solutions. Okay, done. Okay, so now you can do a quick practice for me. Okay, so now please help me to finish quick practice 10.9. So now let me give you another example, which is examples 10.10 in your textbook, page 10.38. Okay, so now the question gives you the graph of y equals to cosine 2x. Okay, so I highlighted both the question and the figure. Okay, so part A, it asks you to rewrite the equation into the form of cosine 2x equals to k. Okay, so that means originally we have 4 cosine 2x plus 1 equal to 0. And our target is we want to make it as cosine 2x equals to something. Okay, so the first step, we will move the positive 1 to the right hand side so that it is negative 1. And finally, we move the 4 in front of cosine 2x, and we get that cosine 2x equals to negative 1 over 4. Okay, so good. So that means from this from this form, we know that y, it is equals to negative 1 over 4 equals to negative 0.25. Okay, so the red color will be used in part B. Okay, for part B, it asks you to solve, okay, for cosine 2x plus 1 equal to 0 with the range 0 degree to 360 degree graphically. Okay, so again, we will use the graph. So from part A, we know that we have to draw the line y equals to negative 0.25. Okay, so I used a red color to represent it. So I will draw a horizontal line. Okay, y equals to negative 0.25. Then we will take a look of the intersection. So which will be here, 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 and here. Okay, so according to 10 grids equals to 60 degree, so 5 of it equals to 30 degree. Okay, then we know that each grid will equals to 6 degree. So therefore it should be 54, 126, 234 degree, and 306 degree. And therefore we can draw the conclusion from the graph. X is equals to 54 degree, 126 degree, 234 degree, or 306 degree. Okay, done. Okay, so now please help me to finish the quick practice 10.10. Okay, and then for today's homework, it will be exercise 10C, question 1 to 5.